Good day everyone. So in this video I'll be showing you how to create an Android payload. So Android payload is a payload that can be used to hack into Android device and gain full control and do anything you would like to do. So to do this, we'll be using a tool called MSF Venom, which you can easily just type it here. MSF Venom, so with -H to show the help option. So this is the help option and how we can use MSF Venom. So I'll be creating an Android payload with MSF Venom now with just a simple code using MSF Venom -P, which is the payload we want to use, which is Android Metaprinter reverse underscore TCP. So which is the payload we want to use. So now I have to set our L host, which is the local host IP, which will be our Kali IP. So to do this, I'll open a new terminal and run ifconfig to check my IP. So as you can see, this is my IP. I will use Ctrl+Shift+C to copy, then I'll paste it here as my L host. Then I'll set my L port to, which is the port I want to listen on. So I'll use port 4444. So I'm using port 444 as my listening port. So now I have to specify the type of file I want to generate. So I'll use R, which means I want to generate the name of the payload will be payload.apk. As you already know, apk is an Android file extension. So I'll click enter. So now MSF Venom will generate the payload for me, and the payload will have every permission, including camera permission, voice record, send, dump SMS, etc. So after creating this payload, I can easily use MSF console to listen for incoming connection, and when the client or the person wants to send this payload, install the payload on his phone, then we can have full access to the phone, dump SMS, view missed calls and all calls, etc. So MSF Venom have finished generating the payload. As you can see, we have generated Android Metaprinter reverse TCP payload, and this is the payload size. So if I come to my file here and open all folder, I should see a file named payload.apk. As you can see, this is an Android file. Then I can easily copy it now and send it to my target, or embed this file into a application like game. So anytime the user run it, then I can gain full access to their phone. So I can easily go to my terminal and use MSF console to listen for incoming connection, which we'll be doing later in my advanced course.